Your star kingdom is mine, Stella. Once I ignite the magma cannon...
I just created this animated film by chatting with an AI agent. Yes, that's right. I entered the idea. The agent generates the prompts, selects the model, and generates the video. You will get access to generative models like GPT Image, Nano Banana, Flux, Seedance, Kling, Sora, VO, and more. Everything under one conversation-based agent. And today, I am going to share the step-by-step method of creating a film using the new Artlist AI Agent. Let's dive in. Okay, I was talking about Artlist AI Agent. This is a brand new feature of Artlist, the biggest stock assets and generative AI models hub. Now it has launched its first ever conversation-based AI agent that can create content from your simple idea. Alright, enough talk. Let's see how it works and how we can create content with it. So first of all, create an account on Artlist. I will put the link in the description. Once you are logged in, your interface will be linked to this. You will find AI Toolkit, Artlist Studio, AI Image, Video, and Audio Generator models, and all the popular models. The Artlist AI agent is inside the AI Toolkit, so I am selecting the AI Toolkit feature. Okay, this is the Artlist AI Toolkit. At this moment, we are in standard mode. You can select the model, enter the prompt, and generate content. You can select the agent mode by clicking here. Okay, we are now in the agent mode. Now, you can enter a simple idea here in this box, and the agent will create the content for you. Let's say I want to create a comic strip. So, I am typing, I want to create a simple 6-panel comic strip, featuring the latest context. It should be funny, but contextual, and then hitting the send button. Now, the agent will analyze the context and start creating the content. Here you can see that it comes with 2 suggestions and asks to select one of them. Let's say I want to go with the first one. Now, the agent will start planning the comic strip for me. It gives me a detailed plan and context about the panels. Now you can customize it or go ahead with this plan. And now, the agent will create detailed prompts and then assign an image generator for the image. And here it is, the comic strip is ready. This is really amazing. Looks like a professional comic strip. Here, on the right side, you will find the prompt the AI agent created for us, and then all the information about the image. It used the Nano Banana 2 model to create the images. That's why we got the best result. So we don't have to worry about which model we should use or what our prompt should be. The Artlist AI agent will handle all of them for us. Now imagine, I want to create a video with this comic strip, so I am typing. Now can you please turn this comic strip into a video? The agent will analyze the image, create the video prompt, select the video model, and start generating the video. All is automated. And here it is, the video is ready.
Just make it look professional. Okay, a suit and tie. Discussing quarterly projections. Wait, it's just a briefcase now? What are you doing? No, I meant...
This is really a good video. I love it. You can see that it used the Sora 2 Pro model to create the video. Basically, it selected the best model to create our video clips. So now we can create any kind of content just from an idea. Alright, let's say I want to create a short film using Artlist Agent. And to do that, I already generated a script using Gemini. After generating the script, I asked Gemini for all the key elements like characters, key locations, and objects. Once I had all the information, I asked to break the script into scenes, with each scene no longer than 15 seconds. Once I got all of these, I went back to Artlist and asked the AI agent, I want to create a Pixar-style 3D animated short film. I will start with character design. Can you do it? It says it can do it. Now we just have to enter the idea. I am typing, my first character is Marco, and then entering the character description for the character. Once I hit the send button, the agent will create the character prompt and then start creating the image. And here it is, the image is ready. This is a perfect image for our character. Now, I will create the second character. So, I am typing, the second character is Leo, and then entering the second character description. The agent is generating the image. And here it is, the second character is ready. Now, in the same method, we have to create all other character images. Once all the characters are ready, we have to create all the locations and objects. For example, I am typing, that's great. Now, I want to create some key location images. My first location is. After that, I will enter the first location description and then hit the send button. And here it is, the image is ready. Now, in the same method, create all the remaining key elements. Okay, all of our reference images are ready. Now it's time to create the scene or video clips. So I am typing. Okay, now I am ready to generate the video clips. Here is scene 1. After that, I will enter the first scene description. In the end, I will add the reference. For this scene, I need 3 references, Marco, Leo, and the wrench. I will add them. Now I will tag them in the text box. Just mention which image should be the reference for which one. Once done, Hit the send button, and here you can see that it comes with a plan. It will generate the video with Seedance 2.0, which is okay. However, it will generate only a 5-second video, but I need a 12-second video. So, I am typing. According to the scene, the duration should be 12 seconds. Everything else is fine. Now it is starting to generate the video, and here it is. The video is ready.
Marco! The Dread Dawn's got her!
Not for long. Leo, crank the warp valve.
This is really amazing. The characters, the location, and the visual quality are amazing. Now let's create the second scene. I am typing, that's great. Now let's create the second scene and entering the second scene description. In the end, I will add the related characters and then tag them accordingly. Once done, hit the send button, and here it is. It's asking for the confirmation. Everything is fine. I will just confirm it. And here it is. The video is ready. This is really amazing. Okay, now in the same method, I will create all the video clips. Once all the video clips are ready, I will save them and assemble them with a video editor. You can add music and SFX from the Artlist Stock Assets library. Okay, here's the final result.
Marco! The Dread Dawn's got her!
Not for long. Leo, crank the warp valve. Dive!
Your star kingdom is mine, Stella. Once I ignite the magma cannon...
Let's scrap them!
Marco! The superstar core! Catch!
So just now, I created this animated short film using the Artlist agent. I don't need to be good at the prompt, don't need to know which model is good for which. I just chat casually with the AI agent, and then the agent creates the video for me. This is really amazing. So if you also want to create your own short film, don't forget to try Artlist agent. The link is in the description. If you found this useful, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.